10 Amazing Medicinal Uses of Onion. 1. Onion recovers cognizance. Onion contains isophenylpropylamine, where breathing and solid possess an aroma similar to smelling salts, gives alleviation in recapturing cognizance in the sicknesses like happiness, epileptic fits, madness and serious cerebral pain. 2. Onion for joint pain treatment. At the point when poultice of onion alongside mustard oil is connected over agonizing joints, it gives alleviation. Onion benefits is additionally powerful in the event of wounds and ulcers. 3. Onion is disinfectant. The glue of the unripe onion is a decent disinfectant. The glue is powerful for creepy crawly nibbles and skin-related issues. 4. Onion cures migraine. At the point when the onion glue is connected on feet underside, it facilitates from migraine. The general population of hotter locale additionally utilize the glue on temple to get alleviation from the stinging warmth. 5. Onion for cataract. Onion juice is useful for eyes and utilized as eye purging medium. The juice of onion and nectar, when put 2 to 3 drops on eyes, it is a decent treatment for averting waterfall. 6. Onion as an appetizer. Onion pickles, when arranged with the mix of dark pepper, cumin seeds and salt, goes about as a superb hors d'oeuvre. 7. Onion for ear infection. Onion squeeze is a good treatment for ear infection. It ought to be utilized as 2 to 3 drops in a day. 8. Onion for stomach torment. For stomachache, the juice of onion is useful when it is brought with ginger powder and salt. Onion juice is additionally advantageous for dryness of voice. 9. Onion is useful for basic chili. Inward breath of onion is great when the individual is experiencing basic chili and epistaxis. It is likewise compelling for teeth and gum issue. 10. Onion calms amoebic diarrhea. The blend of onion plus ginger powder plus vinegar gives alleviation when a man is experiencing amoebic loose bowels and hepatosplenomegaly.